Hey YouTube, what up? The Beast96901, and today I'm going to show you how to create your own winterboard theme. And guess what? It's completely free. So, let's go. Go to your internet, and in the search bar, type in codetheme.com. When it comes up, it should look like this, but it may not. If it doesn't, all you have to do is sign up. And you have to sign up anyways to create your own theme. But it's free, and it takes no time at all. So go up to your top right corner, there's a button, it'll say build a theme now. Click it. Alright, then you want to select your device. I don't have an iPhone, I should be getting it pretty soon, but I'm just going to select iPod Touch 4G. You can use all the devices except for the new iPad, I think. Yeah, it doesn't look like they have the new iPad as an option, but they should have it pretty soon. So I'm going to select iPod Touch 4G, click OK. Alright, then just change your background to one of the ones they have under the browse. You can create your own, but it takes a while. I'm just going to use the background for both. Hit apply, 9. Docs. Once you're ready to do docs, you can hit the browse. You can also upload your own, but again, it takes some time. I'm going to use the wood. Okay, label style, I really don't mess with that. Now for the fun part, the icons. Click browse. You can either click your icon over here to your left, or you can click the icon on the home screen. So I'm going to click on the YouTube app, and I'm going to use this one. Click on the camera, and I'm going to use that one. App Store, I'm going to use this cool new one, it looks like it's new. And the last one I'm going to do is iTunes. I'm going to use the small purple one. 98% of the time, every icon you put on here will change to the icon skin you chose. Every once in a while for me it doesn't, but there's one or two icons that doesn't change, but 98% of the time all the icons change. So I'm going to go, once you're done with the home screen, actually, hang on, if you want to add an icon like say Fruit Ninja, you click add icon and then you type in the name of the app. So Fruit, and then Fruit Ninja is already there. So I'm going to click it, and if you want to create a theme for it, that's the only way you can get a different skin. So you have to create your own skin for it. I'm not going to show you how to do that, at least not in this video. It takes a little while. But once you do create your own, all you have to do is go to the Uploads tab and then put it over the Fruit Ninja app. So here, I'll show you. I've created some of my own. So there, you can just drag and drop, but I'm not going to do that. So then moving on to the lock screen. They have tons of sliders. You can create your own, but those take a little while to create. Not as bad as the icons, but they do take a little while to create. So I'm just going to use this purple pink slider, and then I'll show you some of the sliders I made. These three are probably my best. These are not. This one's my most recent. I put a lot of time into that one, and it really looks good. Okay, so then moving on to slider backgrounds. Like everything else, you can upload your own. I'm going to use the blue one. You can drag and drop, or you can just click it. Now, highlight text. I'm going to highlight it with a rainbow, so the text is rainbow when you see it. And then for the slide to unlock, I'm going to change the text to subscribe. Because you gotta be sure to subscribe, guys, if you want to see my videos. Slide to power off, I'm going to change to turn off. And then slide to answer, I'm not going to change it because on the iPod Touch you can't answer, so I can't show you that. But it does work. So I'm going to go back to highlight and see if I can get that to work. Highlight doesn't seem to be working for me today, but it does work. I do have it working on my other themes. And so yeah, there you go. It's a working emulator. I'll show you my power off. See, it says turn off. You can also click the cancel button. Yeah, see, there you go. There's the highlight going through. Now the status bar. I'm gonna make it, just so y'all can tell, I'm gonna make it pink. Okay. You can create your carrier, but sometimes that doesn't work when you actually tell it to do something. That's the only problem I've had. Icons, you can use different ones. I'm not going to. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to save changes. I'm going to name it subscribe to the Beast 96901. Like I said, you got to be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. It's well worth it. You can name your own description. You can categorize it. I'm not going to, and I'm not going to make this one public. So I'm going to click save. Okay. I just click OK if that comes up. I'm going to click save again just to be sure. Okay, you see, you have to type a description, so I'm going to type my viewers rock. Because you guys rock. Okay, then click save. It's saving. There you go. As you can see, saved. So that's it of part 1, guys. Part 2 coming up. Be sure to check it out. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment if you have any questions. I'll try and get back to you. So I guess I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for part 2.